Let me speak for 2 minutes and then we'll do all the shouting, screaming, lot of reasons to do it. Let me explain why we are doing this. Of course, my biggest welcome is to the press here. Thank you so much for being present here, all of you. Thank you, fans. Thank you so much. Thank you. If we don't speak, then this show will not go on. So give me 2 minutes and then we'll go on. I need to tell you the importance of this day to all of us. Of course, it's a celebration of Jawan. All the artists, all the actors, all of them. Shh. Ready. Quiet now. Okay. So I just want to say that very seldom we get an opportunity. बहुत कम मौका मिलता है कि एक फिल्म के साथ हम इतने सालों तक जीते हैं. Jawan has been in the making for 4 years, of course, because of COVID and time constraints. But there were so many people involved in this film, especially people down from the south who came and shifted to Mumbai and have been living in Mumbai for the last 4 years, working day and night for this film, the hardest ever. बहुत लोगों ने अपने घर भी नहीं गए. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो जिनके बच्चे यहां पर हो गए, मेरे डायरेक्टर एटली के. एंड इट्स वेरी सेल्डम दैट वी आर एबल टू प्रेजेंट टू द होल प्रेस ऑफ इंडिया द पीपल. Sir, what happens is that it is very seldom that to the whole press of this country, the august press of this country, we present the technicians behind the film. So I want you to please give them the loudest applause. Of course, the wonderful Deepika Padukone is stunning. All the ladies in the film are beautiful. I think Vijay Sethupathi is outstanding. और सुनील ग्रोवर कमाल हैं. और मेरा तो जवाब ही नहीं. बट इस फिल्म के असली हीरोज एंड हीरोइंस वो टेक्नीशियंस हैं जिन्होंने इस फिल्म को 4 साल से बनाया है. सो वी विल प्रेजेंट देम टू यू. दे विल आंसर अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. दे वर्क रियली हार्ड. एंड ऑन माय बिहाफ एज रेड चिलीज, देयर हैव बीन 2-3 वंडरफुल पीपल whose teams, which amount to about 100 people at least, have worked very, very hard. I'd like to mention their names if they are somewhere here. Can I see them? So it was co-produced. Our producer, Gaurav Verma. Where are you, Gaurav? Yeah. Gaurav Verma, thank you so much for doing all you've done. His EPs, Dharam and Pratik. If they are around, where is Dharam? Where is Pratik? Thank you so much. And there are lots of people in this team who work really, really hard. And the hardest of them all is like family to me, Pooja Dadlani. Where is she? She's worked really, really hard on this one. Where are you, Pooja? You can stand and wave also, Pooja. It's okay. And also this wonderful lady who's just become a new mother, Priya, the force behind Atlee. Please say hello to everyone. Loads of people whose names I'm not mentioning. You will see them on stage. Some of them who are not here. Nayanthara ji is not here because it's a mother's birthday. So from here to Chennai, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Nayan ji, for being part of this film. And a big thanks to, of course, Deepika for being as lovely as a friend, for being here, and everybody in the film. Suren, I'll go and sit down. You call upon us all. And yes, thank you for being here, everyone. Thank you.
I'll take it. Thank you.